voice training questions and answers. First of all, Susan Tyrrell asks, in both the voice training courses I've taken, and they're brilliant by the way, thank you very much, you go on about the importance of a warm-up before a voiceover recording session. But is it really that important, she says? Do you really do this in your work? Yes, Susan, I honestly and genuinely say I do warm-up exercises, and so does Katie and the rest of the gang here, twice a day. It's one of those things that's a bit like brushing your teeth. You know, you get into the habit of doing something, you stop thinking about it, you just do it automatically. You don't have to diary it anymore or set any alarms on your phone. You just know that as soon as you've got some scripts to read, you go into warm-up mode. Now, I've given you all sorts of different warm-up exercises in the VoiceOver Masterclass courses. Some may be more beneficial for the type of voice you have and the type of voice you're about to do. But for most of the scripts that I have to do and the type of voice and the age I am, I personally do low humming exercises. Oh, fantastic. Then telephone trills, those ones, glides up and down, and mouth stretching exercises like the cheek massage and QEQR that I explain on the course. As well as that, I do have my own SOVT straw, which I find excellent. Although if you can't afford one of these or don't want to buy one, a normal drinking straw can be fine. You get a tall glass of water, take a deep breath, blow gently into the straw, creating bubbles. Now, doing this creates nice back pressure massage on your vocal folds back here. Right, this next one is from Jonas Echefawi. Which time of the day do you recommend voice training to be done? Thank you very much. Right, Jonas, if you're doing any kind of training, you really have to work it around the actual jobs you have to do that day. For example, if I know that for the next 2 or 3 days I have got an awful lot of recording to be done, using my voice for many hours each day behind the microphone, then, e-learning or an audiobook, then I'll make sure that I do my basic warm-ups very gently, both before the morning session and then after lunch before the afternoon session. I can't risk hurting my voice with any new or strenuous exercise. It's like not overdoing things at the gym to keep fit. Yeah, you don't do the same exercise. We all know aches and pains you get when you've stretched yourself too much or overexerted yourself. As for the best time of day, you'll probably know that first thing in the morning, your voice is often deep and resonant, and of course a little bit mumbly. You've just woken up. But that's the best time of the day to discover what extra depth and resonance you could get when you're really relaxed. After all the pressures of the day pile up on you, the tensions also rise around your neck and shoulder areas in particular. This will tend to make your voice sound thinner and higher and more stressed. So that's why if you can discover a lovely, deep, resonant voice first thing in the morning when you're relaxed, then later on in the day, you need to find it. Maybe lunch break or something. Just go somewhere quiet, try to relax and go to your happy place, as they say, and try and discover that lovely, deep, resonant voice again. It hasn't gone away, just your tensions have probably made it disappear. Of course, us voiceovers need to do this all the time. We change our voices through the working day. You may have one voiceover script that needs a bright, loud voice, and the next script demands a soft-spoken, warm, and deep voice. It's all still you, but it's how you think about the voice and how that thinking affects your muscles, and that directly affects the sound of the voice. I hope this is useful. That's all for now. Got any questions for us here at voiceovermasterclass.com? Please post them in the comments below and look out for a future video. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.